Hello guys, this is Crypto Airdropper. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys how I made over $200 for free from this website. And as you can see, these are some of my recent withdrawal transactions. Looking at this, you'll be able to see that I've withdrawn about $150, okay, and which I successfully received on my wallet. So this is a quick proof on my trust wallet. As you can see, this was the recent withdrawal, about 52.7 USDT. If you were to go back to the site, you'll be able to see 52.7 USDT withdrawal successful. So this was my first withdrawal here, $50. This was the second, and this was the third. Okay, and I still have over about 62.3 USDT on my balance currently. Okay, so in today's video, I'll be showing you guys, I'll be telling you about this platform called Mandarin Plaza and how you can make money from it for free. Okay, so but before we get into that, welcome back to Crypto Airdropper. Yeah, I make videos about how you can make money online with cryptocurrency, airdrops, and much more. So if you're all for that, make sure you like this video and hit the subscribe button right now if you haven't. And as you can see, I'm currently on my way to 25k subs, guys, so please hit the subscribe button to get me to 25 subs. Okay, and also I want to announce that I'll be doing a giveaway, okay, in my Telegram channel when this video hits 100 likes in 24 hours. That's in 24 hours. If you guys like this video and it gets to 100 likes, I'll be doing a giveaway on my Telegram channel. So in case you're not on my Telegram channel yet, make sure you subscribe. The link is in the description of this video. The name of the channel is Crypto Airdropper, where I post a lot more updates than I do on my Telegram channel. Okay, sorry, than I do on my YouTube channel. Okay, so post a lot of things there, so make sure you subscribe right now. Okay, so without any further ado, let's get into it. So the name of this platform is Mandarin Plaza. Mandarin Plaza is an online website. Basically, it's an online shopping website where you can use your funds to place orders. Okay, and after the orders are processed, after a time, like a few minutes or hours, you get a refund on that order. So what this means is, for example, depending on your VIP level, okay, you'll be able to place orders. Okay, so once you click and you buy an item from the tax refund, okay, you'll be charged for the price of that item. Okay, and after the transaction has been processed and the order has been completed, that's the price you paid for it will be returned along with a refund, that's with an extra on it. So what this means is, if I were to go to my transactions, you'll be able to see that to go to tax refund, you'll be able to see that I purchased an item, for example, purchased an item for $40. Okay, so after a while, my payment will be refunded and I will receive a tax refund on that payment. Okay, so how do you get started with this? Actually pretty easy. If you are to head to the description of this video, there will be a sign up link there. Once you click on it, you'll be able to sign up for an account with Mandarin Plaza, but provide your phone number and a password. Once you do that, an account will be created for you and you will receive free $8 on your account. Okay, you'll be given free $8. That's $8 for free for using my link to sign up, earn on your balance, which you can use to start completing tasks to earn money daily from the site, which I'll explain better. So as a new user, your own VIP level will be VIP 0 and you have $8 for using my link to start up. So as a VIP 0, once you sign into your account, you need to head over to tax refund to start completing your tax daily. So as a VIP 1, as a VIP 0, I mean VIP 0 member, the only item you can buy on the tax refund tab is this. Okay, so to buy this, and you can only do it every 24 hours for this. Okay, so to buy this, all you have to do is you click on buy here. Once you click on buy, your order will be processed immediately, and you can go to completed orders here to receive it. So let me just show you an example. Okay, so let me cancel my VIP because I'm on VIP 1. So if I cancel my VIP, I'll be taken back to VIP 0 just to show you the example. So as a new user, to complete tax, you go to tax refund. Once you're here, you can click on click to buy, and this item will be purchased. Okay, and it will now go to your complete all orders. So before we complete this, let me go back to transaction pretty fast, and you'll be able to see it. I just purchased an item. As you can see, I just purchased an item for, and I was charged $8, okay, for that item, which was this. Okay, so it has been processed and it's now under completed orders. So to receive my tax refund and the payment I pay for this, I'll click on settlement. So once you click on settlement, you receive, if I go back to transaction, you'll be able to see I receive back my payment refund and the tax refund on it because I'm on VIP 1. Okay, so you can now upgrade to higher VIPs to earn, to be able to earn even more. So there are like 4 VIPs here on this app. We have VIP 1, VIP 2, VIP 3, and VIP 4. However, VIP 3 and 4 are still closed. Okay, so if you are to upgrade to VIP 1, every day you'll be making 1.2 USDT, in a week 8.4 USDT, and in a month that's 36 USDT. And to upgrade to VIP 1, you will only be charged about $3. So you'll be charged only $3 for upgrading to VIP 1. So for VIP 2, you get $16 daily, 112 weekly, and 483 USDT monthly. Okay, but to upgrade this, you need to pay you'll be charged a transaction fee of for $5. Okay, so however, there are some things you need to know before upgrading. So before you upgrade to VIP 1, make sure you have at least $40 left on your balance after the upgrade. Okay, so in my own case, that I have 65.5 USDT, I can choose to upgrade to, by clicking on become VIP. I can now choose to upgrade to VIP 1 by clicking on register, and once I do that, I'll be charged 3 USDT and I'm now VIP 1. Why do you need to have over more than $40 on your balance to upgrade to VIP 1? This is where tax refund comes into play. So if you are to check, as a VIP 0, you can only buy this item, and the price for the item is 8 USDT. Okay, and the expected reward is this. So the price is 8 USDT and you already have 8 USDT on your account for free. Okay, so that means you can complete this tax daily. But for VIP 1, the case is different because the price of the item ranges from 40 USDT to 260 USDT. So you need to have at least 40 USD left on your balance to be able to complete this, okay, this tax, to be able to buy this item. For 40 USDT will be charged from your balance, and after 12 hours, your reward, you can now receive your reward by going to processed orders, clicking on it, clicking on login here and go to completed orders, and you can click on settlement to receive both your payment refund and your tax refund. Okay, so that's why you need to have at least 40 USDT on your balance. So that's basically how you will be able to earn 3 USDT for free using this app as a VIP 0 member. That means you can choose to be VIP 0 and keep completing tax daily to build up your balance so that you can upgrade to VIP 1 without even making a deposit. And one other way you can increase your what's it called, your earnings daily is by inviting users. Okay, by inviting new users with your invite link, you get a percentage of their refunds daily. Okay, so by inviting users, you get to earn even more daily. Okay, and you can go to affiliate here to be able to see the total number of people you've invited and how much you're earning daily from those people. So that's basically all. But before we go, I'll quickly make a withdrawal, show you guys how you can withdraw and how you can deposit. So to deposit, to increase your balance and maybe upgrade to VIP 1 to even earn faster and more daily, click on where it says deposit. By clicking on deposit, you can now, it's already, you can now choose whether TRC20, you make sure it's TRC20 and you put in the amount you want to deposit, and the minimum is 20 USDT. Then you click on confirm. Okay, so clicking on confirm, make sure the USDT you're sending here is on the tranche you're sending from the Tron blockchain, that's TRC20. Because if you end up sending Ethereum USDT, you might end up losing your USDT in the transaction. So make sure you're sending Tron USDT, that's TRC20 USDT here. So once you click on confirm, a wallet address will be given to you, and you send it to that wallet address, and usually in less than 5 minutes the deposit will reflect on your balance. Okay, then how do you withdraw? So for the purpose of this video, I'll withdraw everything on my account basically. So we click on withdraw. Okay, so once you click on withdraw, you've already provided a wallet address and everything. Then you can click on put in the amount you want to withdraw, but note that the minimum withdrawal is 50 USDT. So I'm withdrawing everything, which is basically 59 USDT. So let's just make it 59. Then you click on where it says send OTP, and an OTP will be sent to the number you provided. So once you receive the OTP, you just put it in, okay, put in the OTP and you confirm the transaction. Okay, and application successful pending review. You can now go to transactions and go to withdraw, and you'll be able to see the recent withdrawal you just placed. And it usually takes up to 24 hours before the withdrawal hits your wallet. Okay, so that's basically all I have for you guys today. If you got value from this video, make sure you hit the like button, subscribe right now if you haven't, and drop a comment if you have any questions or suggestions. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Peace.